fusion markets.
Okay, so what we've got here are our watch lists. You can see here that I've already partially organized something and I've named my watch list Xavier, as per my name, but you can name this anything that you want and you can add in different things. So let's just say, for example, I want to add in a symbol and I've just started trading crypto markets. So, I want to really have a good idea of what, Bitcoin, Solana, and what Ethereum are doing. I think they're probably some of the bigger coins, and maybe I'm even looking at Doge, one of those, the meme coins in there. You can see that they've just populated here. It doesn't look too nice. I've got my indices pair there. So what I want to do is I'm going to add in a section. So if I click these settings here, and I say add in a section, I can drag this section down just above BTC, and I can rename this section just by double clicking, and I might rename this section crypto, just keeping it super simple. Great. So now that I can see I've got my crypto here, my indices and my Forex. These are my favorite markets, and I know it's going to make it super easy. I don't have to navigate to the top of the screen to search anymore. I've got my favorite markets here, and I can just click and they will open up as I need. And if I want to open up multiple charts, I can do that too. There is an option here to open up multiple charts. I'll just have to find that option there. I might have to go through that. Yeah, here we go. So you can see if I want, 2 charts, for example, I can click, one on this side, and let's just say I want to see the Aussie USD, for example. There's some big news coming out, and I want to see crypto, so I can have both of those charts showing up at once. Fantastic. I'll just go back to single mode now, just for the purposes of this, but that's a nice little tidbit there. You can have as many as you want. It's a fantastic feature there. All right, brilliant.